How to add music to Facebook Story with multiple photos. First, open up your Facebook app. You can do it on iPhone or Android. Now, tap on Create Story at the top of your newsfeed. Click the photo icon to add images. Check the boxes for the photos you wish to include. For this tutorial, we'll use 4 photos. After selecting your photos, tap Next. Choose Photo Collage to combine your photos into a single frame. In the top right corner, you'll find options to personalize your story. Tap the music icon to open the music selector where you can either browse suggested tracks or search for a specific song. Once a song is selected, tap the music icon again. Below, adjust the portion of the lyrics you want to feature. Choose a font style that suits your story's aesthetic. Click Done at the top to finalize the music settings. Position the lyrics as desired on your photos. Tap the background button in the top right to select a custom background. Moreover, you can tag friends or add other elements as you see fit. Once you are finalized with your story, tap Share Story to publish your story to your Facebook friends and followers. And that's it.